you like to learn some Rioplatense slang with me? Let me share 6 expressions with you so you can sound like a true Rioplatense. And yes, if you have a mate, you can look like one too. El bondi está hasta las pelotas. El bondi means the bus, and when we say that a place está hasta las pelotas, it means it's crowded. So this expression means the bus is crowded. Estoy hecha percha. First of all, this is a percha. The literal translation of this expression is to be made a hanger. We use it to say that we feel terrible, exhausted, physically and mentally. If you think about it, it's similar to the English expression to be hangover, or what in Spanish we call tener resaca. So when we have a resaca, we could say Estoy hecha percha. Ponete pillo. And make sure you put some passion in that sh sound, pillo. The word pillo in Rioplatense Spanish has more than one meaning, but with the verb ponerse, it means wake up, be clever, step up your game. Dejá de tirar fruta. This literally translates to stop throwing fruit, but what it really means is stop talking nonsense, cut the BS basically. Perdón, me recolgué. Colgarse means to get distracted, and the word re is something we use as a substitute of muy. So, perdón, me recolgué means sorry, I got very distracted. De una. We use this phrase a lot to express agreement. It would be like saying yes, okay, sure, definitely, of course. Imagine a friend comes and invites you to do something together. Instead of say sí or bueno, you could say de una. If you're interested in Rioplatense Spanish and culture, hit that follow button and maybe consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Shoro en Rioplatense. See you there! Mwah.